Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Mailchimp Newsletter full guide. Open Mailchimp and log in, then create or import your audience and segment contacts by behavior or tag. Choose Campaign, pick a responsive template, and drag in your logo, images, and text. Set sender details, preview on mobile, and test send to ensure links and personalization work well before scheduling or sending to your list. Start with a clean header and maintain consistent fonts and colors to match your brand voice. Prioritize a concise subject line and preview text that tease value without clickbait. Balance images and text so load times stay fast and the message remains scannable. Include one clear call to action, test across devices, and use Mailchimp's preview tools to confirm personalization tags render correctly for all recipients. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like if it's helpful, it means a lot. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. A tidy office makes focused campaigns easier. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Segment your audience into focused groups to send more relevant content and improve metrics. Run /B tests on subject lines, sender names, or content blocks to learn what resonates. Review open and click rates, then iterate on frequency and messaging based on real results. Use automation for welcome and re-engagement flows, and always remove inactive subscribers to keep your list healthy and deliverability strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.